Hi guys, back with another plan with me in my A6 ring. So if you want to see me decorate for the week of November 8th, then just keep on watching. So when I sat down to film, it was 6:45 or 6:46 a.m. on Sunday morning, very late. So this is ending up being a memory spread. But anyways, inserts that I'm using are from Peanuts Planner Co. I thought it'd be super simple to lay down stickers because I already know how I like it. I decided to use this teeny deco kit from my shop. It's called Vintage Florals. It's just a very small 4-page kit, perfect for smaller planners, and to use some deco. I never used to use deco before until, I don't know, when I started making deco kits. Anyways, as you can see how tiny the sheets are compared to my A6 inserts. This Magical Mouse washi tape is from my shop. The Christmas washi arrived this week, so I wanted to kind of mark that somehow in my planner. So I'm using that one. The pen that I chose to use was this Pilot High-Tech C in 0.4, but when I started writing, it was skipping and it wasn't opaque, so I do end up changing it, I think, right after I write Hello Monday. So anyways, let's jump into decorating for the week. Starting off with these mini day flags that I sell as a $2 Tuesday. Every so often I'll come out with a different color palette, but I really like these in this spread or these inserts. I don't know, I just like how it turns out, especially with the date right on the opposite side. So I'm just laying down my date covers. I'm going to go in with my date dots from Rory's Sweet Addiction. I was really excited to lay down stickers for this week because I feel like it gave me a taste of what memory planning is going to be like. So yeah, I think I'm going to really enjoy memory planning because I loved like tracking what happened for the day, and then I loved choosing what stickers to use. It was a little bit more relaxing to lay down this spread than a typical spread where I have to figure out what I want to do for the day. This one is just having fun and putting down the memories for the day. So I think once my EC comes, or once I'm able to use it starting in January, I think I'm going to really enjoy it. As for the washi tape, I can never figure out if I want to put it at the top or the bottom. I think I usually always end up putting it at the top, but I always have a hard time at deciding. So as far as memory planning goes, I do plan on filming it, and I'm thinking a voiceover would be the most easiest. That way I can kind of just relax and put some thought into laying down the week and just remember how the week went, and then I can just come back and edit. Editing voiceovers is a lot easier just because I kind of speed through the entire process, and then I can go back and just cut things here and there, and then also I won't have to think so much while I'm actually planning. And that right here is real-time planning for me. As you can see how slow the process is, that's why I try to speed up what I can, because it just takes me forever to do things sometimes. Okay, back into the sped up version. Now I'm taking all of the deco pieces and kind of placing just one piece on each day. No rhyme or reason really. I'm just trying to make sure that I do have enough room to write around the sticker depending on how I place it down. But in the end, I kind of just make it work however it does work. I did put that one in the corner off the page. I love when stickers go off the page. I don't know why. It just looks like it's coming out of the spread, I guess. I had to be super picky with Saturday and Sunday. I didn't want to put too much on there since the days are so small. I went between this spread or these inserts and another one where the columns for Saturday and Sunday was super long, but then the columns are super skinny. So I just decided to go with this because not much happens on Saturdays and Sundays anyway. So this is how I have been keeping track of what is going on for the day on my phone. I thought of using a notepad, but I don't think I would track things that way, whereas with my phone, I'm on it right before I go to bed and I can just open my notepad app and then just write down what happened for each day. Alright, so jumping into memory spread, or the memory spread, this beanie is from Every Minute a Story, and I put adulting is hard because I did have a kind of harder day on a Monday, so I wanted to use that beanie. There I am switching pens. I have no idea what pen this is. I think it's the Juice Up. Whatever pen it is, I will leave it linked down below, but even this one I was having a hard time with it. Taking a label sticker from the kit. These columns are not 1.5 inches wide, so any stickers will have to be cut down. Munchkin from Once More Love coloring in the pants because it didn't match the spread, and I just wrote treadmill. I did hop on the treadmill this day. Laptop sticker is from my shop, and I just marked workflow, even though I didn't do much work because I was having a really hard time mentally. Flag sticker from the kit, Fragile Munchkin is so cute, which is from Once More with Love, and I just wrote very bad mental day. I couldn't concentrate as much work as I needed to get done. I couldn't do it. So instead, I am using this box sticker from Chic Street Sticker Boutique, Animal Crossing stickers from Mackenzies Creation, which is closed. And I just wrote in that I did this like sunken waterfall area on my Animal Crossing island. And then this cleaning bucket is from the kit, and I just wrote that I tidied up the house to help me feel better. $2 Tuesday sticker sheets was an old $2 Tuesday. This $2 Tuesday foiled stickers from Rory's Sweet Addiction. Box sticker from the kit, and this emoji holding Starbucks is from the Coffee Monsters Co. I had to do a Safeway run, and there's a Starbucks in our Safeway, so I ended up getting Starbucks to treat myself. Flag sticker from the kit. This foiled sticker is from the Pretty Pink Co. And this is to mark that I jumped on the treadmill once again. My goal was to do it every single day, and that quickly stopped. It was just Monday and Tuesday where I jumped on the treadmill. Using another box sticker from the kit and trimming it. Sorry if you hear the printer in the background. I am multitasking today. This music icon is from an old $2 Tuesday sheet, and I burned 10 CDs on that day. I love CDs. Don't get me wrong, I love streaming music in my car and everything, but there's just something about CDs that make me so happy to change out the CDs. I would hold the CDs on my lap in high school, and then I would just flip through my CD book and just change CDs as needed or wanted. Anyways, teardrop from my shop. That little character is from Hello Studio Co., and that's just to mark that I had a headache, and I did end up napping. Taco icon is from Crafts by Thaui. Flag sticker from the kit, and that's to mark that it was taco night. And then nail box doodle from my shop, and that's just to mark that I made a Kiss Nails order for some holiday nails, and that is how Tuesday turned out. Jumping into Wednesday, I'm using this box sticker from the kit. This emoji in a bathtub is from the Coffee Monsters Co. I didn't take a bath, I did take a shower because I did wake up with a migraine again, and so I just took a morning shower to have the heat just hit my head, and it was so bad that I almost actually kept the kids home, so I wanted to mark that in. And then I'm putting this happy emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. We have a Kush cream. The hubs bought it from our local smoke shop, and oh my goodness, I forget sometimes how well the Kush cream works. I was good to go like 5 minutes after I rubbed it into my like shoulder muscles, my hairline on the back of my neck, my temples. It was completely gone. So I need to remember to use that more often because it always works. Anyways, box sticker from the kit, and I laid that down sideways. That Animal Crossing leaf is from Stella Bow Sticker Co. And this arrow sticker is from an old $2 Tuesday sheet that I sold. And I did mark that I took the day off. I didn't want to take the chance of my migraine coming back, so I just took the day for myself. I actually played Animal Crossing all morning, especially with that new update. Man, I keep getting sucked in and wanting to keep playing. And I have 2 islands too, so even more so. Pizza box is from Crafts by Thaui, and then I found a vegan pizza from Amy's, and it is delicious. I just wish it was gluten-free. I don't have a full-blown gluten intolerance, but gluten does affect me. But anyways, pizza is so yummy. Box sticker from the kit, and that munchkin is from Once More with Love. It was date night, and the hubs fell asleep, and I already know what that means because Wednesdays is usually date night. Cutting another box from the kit, trying to figure out how I want to lay it down, and I did rip it up, so I ripped the paper. Another one of those star foiled stickers from the Pretty Pink Co., and this is just to mark Veterans Day, and of course the kids had no school. Using a checkbox from the kit, not really using the actual checkbox, but just to mark where we went. So we did go to Foodland. Foodland means only one thing. We got Starbucks, we went to Latour and got macaroons, I don't know how you say it, and we also got McDonald's for lunch. Moving down, I'm using a flag sticker from the kit, an emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co., and an Animal Crossing sticker from Kinsey's Creations because I played Animal Crossing once again. This Mickey washi doodle is from my shop, and that's to mark that some of the washi tape arrived, not all of it. It came in like multiple shipments. And then I had kind of a bad afternoon, so I just put I'm okay, I guess, from the Coffee Monsters Co. This bowl of noodles is from Crafts by Thaui, and because we went to Fulan, that means that we had hot pot for dinner. I just love hot pot. It's one of my favorites. Then I am using a box sticker from the kit, a computer doodle from my shop, and this Mickey hand is from Haley's Handmade Co. And I did place a Disney order. They came out with some new wreaths, so I picked a couple up along with some other stuff. Using this little divider sparkle swatch thing from Chic Street Sticker Boutique to block off Aloha Friday. This add to cart munchkin from Once More with Love is to mark that I placed a Simply Gilded order because she released some holiday things. Chic Street Sticker Boutique box and the Target bag is from the Style Planner. We did a Target run to pick up a tree for our living room, and we chose the Christmas palm tree. It is so cute in our living room. It sits right in the window, and we open it at our window at night. It looks so cute from outside. Flag sticker from the kit. I need to swallow like really hard. I'm like losing my breath too. Okay, Iconic Imperfections is where that house delivery, the rest of the washi was delivered. I had a haircut appointment at 4:30, chopped off all of my hair, not all of it, chopped off a lot. Box sticker from the kit, and then this emoji that looks kind of tired. I marked in that I had a late nap. My head was kind of sore, so I kind of fell asleep, which was okay because I had to take down the pre-sale at like midnight. Moving on to Saturday, I am using this work munchkin from Once More with Love. I worked 12 hours on Saturday. I also worked 12 hours yesterday, so I'm pooped. I have lots more to do. Box sticker from the kit, another music icon, and I'm writing J versus S, so Jaden versus Sydney, this or that music. They were labeling my washi tape, and they were having me choose which song I liked better, so each one would choose a song, and I would choose which song I liked better. Sydney won. She is very like old school when it comes to music, so she listens to like my kind of music, so she kept winning. Bellyful munchkins from Once More with Love. We had Loco Mocos for dinner. TV icon is from the kit, and I'm using this to mark that we watched Fast 9 finally. Typical Fast movie where nothing makes sense. But I stopped filming on Sunday morning because I wanted to make sure I was able to get this video edited and uploaded, so nothing much happened yesterday. I really just worked another full day. I will go back in and fill that in later, but I wanted to make sure I can get this video up sometime today, which is Monday. I'm doing the voiceover, so that's why Sunday is empty. Future memory spreads, I should have them all completed. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys always so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.